What happened during the election?
With the ATC was
get over these elections.
As far as I know, the last communication with the ATC was about low visibility. It was an early morning flight. There was low visibility over Baramati. And if you see, the plane actually goes down very sharply, Swagata. One of the videos shows that the plane is going fine, and then towards the end it veers towards one side and goes down. Now, Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh are saying this could be a political conspiracy to kill Ajit Pawar. You represent his party. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, it's a big loss for all of us. He was my mentor. He's the one who has given opportunity to all youngsters like us to be in politics. And in fact, we have learnt a lot from him. I'm actually not in that position to even make it as a political topic. I don't know what Mamata Banerjee is trying to do, but India is seeing a big loss. Maharashtra has lost a very great politician. He's not going to come back. He was mentor. He was a god to a lot of youngsters, a lot of karyakartas in Maharashtra. It's a very emotional day for all of us, for the entire party, for the entire Maharashtra, for the entire nation. I will not say that the investigation shouldn't be happening. Definitely the investigation should be happening. But it is not true that it has to take a political angle. It shouldn't be that people just should use his news for a political agenda. There should be technicality check done by the investigators. And I don't know why they are making it a political news, because Ajit Pawar is someone who was a very straightforward person, who used to love working. He always believed in action speaks louder than words. As you can see, early morning also he was going for work. He was someone who always believed in action. And 24/7 he was available for helping out the entire nation, the karyakartas. So I don't think he ever had any kind of a political rival. I don't know why this all story is coming up. But yes, definitely I would like to say that investigation should be, a thorough investigation should be done. And there is nothing like, there is differences between Ajit Pawar sir or Fadnavis sir, because they are very good friends. And I don't think there should be any kind of such conspiracy at this moment, when the entire nation and state is really sulking in emotion. Right now, we should all be supporting the entire family and standing by their side.
Was Ajit Pawar, as Mamata Banerjee has said, was he going to leave BJP and leave the Mahayuti very soon?
Sir, he was with Mahayuti for development, as you all know. And sir, this is not the right time that we should be talking about all this.
No, I don't want to talk about it, Swagata. I don't want to talk about it.
Great nation.
But
nation has lost a great leader.
Yeah, but you see
You also know, Arnav, how hardworking and how dedicated he was. And he was a deputy CM for so many years.
Well, I mean, see, I'm not going to glorify him because he's passed away. It's a great loss, but I mean, I'm not swayed by notions of political greatness. I've been very critical of him in his lifetime. I shall continue to maintain that position on his public policies, but it's a great loss. My question is to Sanjay Dwivedi.